Good morning, class 4th, chapter number 6, teeth and microbes. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture chapter number 6, teeth and microbes. And student, we have discussed in previous lecture teeth. Now student, we will discuss in this lecture structure of our tooth. Student, if we talk about our tooth has 3 layers: enamel, dentine and pulp. You can see this diagram also. This is a diagram of the tooth. You can see there is a 3 layers. You can see enamel. You can see first is the enamel. This is the outermost layer of the tooth, that is called enamel. And you know student, it is the hardest part of the body and it protects the tooth from decay. You can see this diagram also. Next layer of the tooth is dentine. So student, it lies just below the enamel, and student, it is not hard as enamel. The dentine forms the bulk of the tooth and has a yellowish color. You can see that just it is present just below the enamel. This is the outermost layer, that is the enamel, and just below the enamel there is a dentine present, and it is not hard, and the color of the dentine yellowish. Now student, pulp. You can see the underside of the tooth. You can see this diagram also. This is the diagram. There is a pulp also. You can see this is the pulp, the tooth. So it is found inside the dentine, and it is a soft part of the tooth and has nerves and blood vessels, and the tooth receive its nourishment from the pulp. Understand what I am saying? So 3 layers a tooth has. This is the structure, underside structure. If we talk about the outermost layer of the tooth is enamel, next layer inside enamel, dentine, and then underside, and this pulp is present inside the dentine, and pulp provide the nourishment for teeth. Okay students, now a tooth is made up of the 3 parts. You can see student, crown, neck and roots. You can the 3 parts. First part crown, then next part neck, and then roots. So if we talk about student, this is the crown. It is the part of the tooth that we you can see outside the gum. Next student, neck is the part found below the crown. You can see neck is the part found below the crown where the tooth touch the gums. And you can see student, this is the root of a tooth, and it is the part that found inside the gum. And you know student, what is the function of this root? Yes student, it helps the tooth to be in a place, in a fixed position. Okay, like the plant, what is the function of the root? It fixes the plant into the ground. In the you can same way, root is also the part is found inside the gum, and it helps the tooth to be in a place or fix in the gums. Okay, so I hope you understand student. And you know student, no 2 people have the same set of teeth, and every person teeth are unique, just like our fingerprints. Every person have different fingerprints, different. In the same way, 2 people do not have the same set of teeth. Okay, I think you have understand student. Now student, we will discuss the type of teeth. Student, adult has the 4 type of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Okay, so how many types of the teeth? Incisor, you can see this diagram, incisor, canine, premolar and molar. So if we talk about student, incisor, these are the biting or cutting teeth. Why? Because incisor help us to bite and cut the food. And there are 8 incisors, 4 in each jaw. There are the 2 jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw. So total 8 incisors, but in upper jaw 4 and 4 incisors present in lower jaw. Okay, so 4 and 4. Next student, canines, and these are the tearing. You can see canines are the sharp pointed teeth found next to the incisor. And you know what is the function of the canine? Help in tearing the food. And you know there are 4 canine, total 4, 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. Okay, now student, next is the premolar. Student, next to the canine there are the present premolar, and there are the flat. You can see this diagram also. Premolar are flat broad teeth, and that help in the chewing, crushing, grinding your food. There are the 8, total 8 premolar are present, 4 in each jaw, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. Okay, so student, next है behind the premolar the molar are present. You can see these are the molar, so they are broader, they are the broader than the premolar, they are broad than the premolar, and help in chewing, grinding, crushing also, and they are 12 molar in all, 12, 6 upside and 6 downside. Okay students, so how many types of the teeth are present student? 4: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. So student, I hope you understand, and next lecture we will discuss care of teeth. How can you take care of your teeth? And there are the also wisdom teeth also. When do they appear? So we will discuss in next lecture. Okay students, take care, bye.